Today, we're sharing how to make the Walking Taco Bowl by Avocados from Mexico. We start by filling our serving bowl with nacho cheese-flavored tortilla chips. Place them so that the chips stand up so the queso topping we add next pours all the way down. Next, drizzle the melted queso all over the top of the chips. Now add your shredded lettuce and diced tomato on top. Place your cooked taco meat across the top. Then drizzle with fresh avocado crema. Add a scoop of fresh guacamole made with avocados from Mexico and top with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Garnish it off with a fresh lime wedge. Now you're ready to serve the Walking Taco Bowl by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.